Well, hello everyone. We are Echo Child Adventures. We are here in Omaha, Nebraska.
In our new YouTube room. Well, painted. We have nothing up yet, but we're getting there.
We are slowly getting there.
If you're new, hello, hi, and
welcome. We didn't rehearse that. I promise we didn't rehearse that at all. We are kind of just trying things out here in Omaha. We actually are really excited because...
Actually?
I know. It's my filler word. Sorry, Echo just yelled at us. We said hi to her real quick and then we jumped right here. We just got back from Hollywood Candy here in Omaha, Nebraska.
An old market.
So fantastic place.
Downtown Omaha.
Yes. It's off of Franklin and some street down there. Anyway, you can't miss it. It's right there next to a lot of the stores and stuff. But we spent $60 on candy.
Well, just to be fair, some of this candy was a little expensive.
Yes.
Because it's nostalgic.
Yes. And some of it
imported.
was not. Yes, yeah. And some of it was like a grab bag. So we're going to kind of do our next little haul so you guys can see what $60 of candy looks like.
Most of it's like bulk, so it's like a quarter of a pound is this much, but we just got like individual things.
Right. Yeah, and they actually have fudges. They got other stuff.
They have rock candy. They have fudge, like Brian was saying. They have different sodas.
Which we haven't really paid attention to that much there.
Didn't. We probably need to go back.
Well, that's convenient.
Okay. Do you want to do the grab bag?
Yeah.
First, or do you want to wait?
So we're going to try some of this because I think it'd be fun to make funny faces. Because we got some sour stuff. So why not make funny faces, especially Amber when she does her sour face.
Great.
So first things first, just because it's going to be fun. This is called Toxic Waste Hazardous Sour Candy. Normally we have two cameras. We don't have the other one set up yet. Sorry. But it's going to be fun.
It's just like Warheads?
Kind of, but they're more extreme. So I will let you have a choice, Miss Amber. You can do blue raspberry. You can do apple. You can do watermelon. There you go. I'm going to do the blue raspberry. At the same time...
This does not look...
like watermelon at all.
It's green.
Mine's blue. Ready?
On three.
One, two, three. Nothing. Nothing. I think I got a dud.
Oh!
I got nothing.
We should have got it something to drink. It's sour. It's like, don't keep it in one spot on your tongue, because then it starts to burn.
Kind of get stuck in your throat a little bit.
I don't want to put back in.
We got more sour stuff coming. So.
Now I can taste the watermelon.
Excuse the chomping on the candy. So one thing that I really liked when I was in Japan was a candy called Fran. It's by the same ones that make the Pocky. So these are really good. I'm not going to try them on camera, but they come in individual packages that you can take. So they have like 3 or 4 that come in the box. You can take one and you can just enjoy it on your own. But these are really cool. I really enjoy them. Kind of reminds me back of when we were in Japan.
Hold on. Oh!
I'm keeping all this in.
Oh my god! Don't chomp on it! Because there's sour stuff on the inside.
Oh yeah, there is. Mmm, delicious.
I had no idea! And then it just... Oh my god.
This is really good. They're not sour at all. Alright, to be fair, I can suck on a lemon and be fine.
Oh my gosh.
We showed this in our last video, but this Minnie is adorable. We're not opening it.
It was $3.
Yeah.
How much was this? How much were these?
I don't remember.
Oh.
Those were $2.99. So, moving on. Amber's most exciting video. Ready?
I picked this out. I usually pick out good stuff.
It's the surprise grab bag mystery assortment of candy, toys, and novelties. So let's take a look.
Oh, guess what? Surprise news. We're doing Tokyo Kawaii Club again.
Yeah, so get ready for those videos. We do have a playlist down on our page that you guys can go check them out. I'm trying to talk over the bag. Really cool stuff. If you're into Disney and cute stuff, definitely go.
This is $5.
Yeah.
I'm really excited for that. I'm so excited. So I get good stuff?
It looks like it. I did peek, but...
Don't peek.
Alright, so we'll alternate. We'll go in here and grab, and we'll alternate.
But you already peeked.
I did. Here, you want to peek first?
Okay.
Alright. Sorry for the noise. First up is a little troll-looking dude.
From the 90s? Is this like 90s or just
novelty.
whenever?
So this would actually like stick to the wall.
Actually?
Yeah.
Or your car?
Yeah. And it will just like boing.
Look at that. Should I put it on my car?
I don't know. I just dropped it.
Or you can put it on yours because yours is gone all the time.
Yeah. That's really cool. Like doing.
Look at, did they see the face?
It's so
it's kind of
cool.
like a troll.
Yeah.
My turn.
Alright. It's like a topper.
You guys. These are actually kind of cute. Actually kind of cute.
Yeah.
Does it work? There
It works. You can't see, but it works. That's cool. Alright.
That's neat.
Just because it's heavy. High five. Have you ever had this before? High five?
It's fruit punch, no? You
Huh.
wanna try it? Oh, I could have had it with the sour stuff.
Oh yeah, huh? Well, you know what? When in Rome. Want to be first? I'll let you go first. Ladies
I don't know
first.
if I want to be first anymore.
I feel like it's going to be like sugarless Kool-Aid. Yeah, it's like sugarless, like flavored.
It's like flavored water.
Maybe kids wouldn't even notice.
It's just, there's sugar in there.
Right.
It's called High Five.
Yeah, and it looks like it's from Texas.
60 calories per bottle.
Wow. Your turn. But get something good.
Apple heads.
Apple heads.
Instead of lemon heads? Apple head. How do we say it?
Apple heads. Yeah, we're just trying to get something out of her mouth. A new taste.
That's all they are.
Not bad.
They don't taste like apple.
No. That one has no flavor, but it's sweet. Ooh, Tootsie Roll Pop!
How many licks does it take to get to the center of the Tootsie Pop? Wait, is the star number on there? You get a free lollipop?
No. No star. I think it was always on the blue one.
Footies.
Is that vanilla?
Blue raspberry.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Oh my god. I got mine already. I have not seen this in forever. Holy crap.
That breath though with that warhead.
Oh my god. Boston baked beans. When was the last time you saw these?
It's been a while. They're usually at gas stations.
Yeah. I'm not going to try them. I'm not a big fan of peanuts, but it's pretty cool.
I think all these little candies are the Tootsies. See? That's all. Oh, nope. Smarties.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well,
That wasn't bad for $5 though.
And they're all.
You think so?
No.
Try one. Try one of the footies.
I'm gonna try the grape.
Okay.
They're made by Tootsie. Did you know that? I didn't know that.
They're called footies. Oh, and I chose these. Aftershocks popping candy. And this one's watermelon, of course. How do you open it? It looks like Pop Rock.
Before you do this, you just bought some that were Kool-Aid brand, and they were delicious.
It was grape, fruit punch,
Yeah.
and cherry.
I thought they were gonna be sour. Makes you think about our nephew, because we gave our nephew these.
There's grape. They really do pop a lot.
Wow.
Wow.
At your age, Amber.
Did you hear it?
Alright. Moving on. We got the Bonbons from my French. Blue raspberry. We won't try these, or do you want to try them?
Yeah, why not? I'm like, sure. These are blue raspberry. Look at them. That's a pretty color. It goes good with the paint.
I can still feel the spark, the aftershock.
Mmm.
They're chewy candy.
Mmm. That's strawberry too. This is good. I like this one.
Yeah, that one's different.
I like that one. I don't know if you guys remember the cinnamon suckers. This one's watermelon and banana. But you can find these at like Hobby Lobby cinnamon ones. Those are super good. I love those. While Brian's opening the other sour thing, I'm showing you guys.
So, last but certainly not least, we're going to make Amber do a funny face again. We got the Grubs Warheads. Now, Warheads have really gone downhill as far as
they were sour. At least super sour. Well, the watermelon's one of my favorite. Then blue raspberry. I would never eat green apple or lemon. Ever.
So this one has
Sometimes I would have him lick off the sour stuff.
So we have R.I.P. Raspberry, Occult Orange, Scary Cherry, Crackle Apple. Oh, Cackle. Sorry, look at it. Crackle. Luna Limon.
Wickedly sour.
So you're going to reach in and you're going to grab one.
But if it's yellow, I'm not getting it.
Nope.
Yes.
Nope. What do you guys say? It's
Let
too
me
late.
see.
Nope.
Right. Why are you staring deep into their soul?
I got yellow.
Yeah!
All right.
What'd I get? Green?
You got green.
Blue?
You might got one.
Blue, maybe? Yeah, because that's green.
Okay. Ready?
1,
Two,
2, 3.
Nothing. No, they're not even sour at all.
There's not.
Wow.
There's no sour.
No.
And then you taste it, like the first two, and then it's gone.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Just for shoots and ladders. Yeah, they're duds.
Yep. And then we got Pocky Sticks, and that's it. Nothing too fancy. But we can go back. Like, if you guys look them up online, and you see different candies, and you want us to try them, let us know. Leave a comment. Email us. Instagram us. TikTok us. I'll try sour stuff for you guys. And then hopefully when we get to 1,000, we can go live there, maybe.
And then you can actually tell us what to get.
And actually tell us
what
to get.
Seriously, tell us what we're going to get. and then we'll come home and we'll try it, and you guys can enjoy
Or
it.
we can do it there at the store after we buy it. Like
Oh, yeah.
walking around Old Market.
Yeah, we make funny faces. People are like, what?
What's going on?
But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much. This was, again,
It was fun.
Hollywood Candy.
It was
Omaha.
good. Some stuff, yeah, it was really good.
Yeah.
Considering.
I mean, some
There's
novelty.
so much more candy to get. We barely got like a sliver
Yeah.
of all the options that
mean-
there are.
So, excuse me, I'm getting a receipt. So, like the Fran and all that kind of stuff, those were $6 each. You know, so out of the $40, so your Pocky and my stuff, that was $24 times 2. So that's, and when you look at the $40, that's where all the stuff went. Everything else was less than that.
These were, just keep in mind, these are like $3
Yeah.
for this package.
So
How much was this?
that was $3.
$3 too?
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for making it this far. We really do appreciate everything that you guys do for us. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that bell notification. Like and comment.
Share with your family and friends. Maybe they'll like it. Maybe they live in Omaha. We can meet up with people over there.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, this stuff is great. I mean, this was a lot of fun. I mean, we've been getting a lot of comments and DMs and stuff about trying new things, trying foods and stuff like that. Even though I'm really picky, I can be a little adventurous when it comes to my sweet tooth. But when it comes to other stuff, I may be a little scared to do it. But guys, this was really fun. I actually enjoyed it. It was really fun.
You actually?
I actually enjoyed it. It's better than enjoying it because you actually enjoyed it. But guys, thank you so much, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.